Please welcome country western sensation Kenny Rogers and the godfather of soul, James Brown Jr.
Welcome to Mad TV, everybody.
Wow!
You know, a lot of people ask us. They go, hey, Kenny and James, what do you two guys do after the season's over with your spare time? Well, last year we had ourselves a sweet deal selling fresh hot chimichangas down by the factory.
Chimichanga!
That's right, James. This year, Papa's got a brand new bag. Me and James scored ourselves a sweet gig dubbing Chinese kung fu movies into English.
Sometimes people say, watch me!
Hey, that's a great idea, James. Why don't we show the folks out there how we do it? Huh?
All right.
All right. Thank you. All right, roll the clip. Hey, man, you burned down my village. You killed my brother, man. I want revenge. Why'd you do that?
Man, what the hell you talking about?
I do kung fu on you. Look out. Ow.
Soy sauce, pork chop chicken, summer, mayo. Why? Summer, take that.
I'm my arm. I'm my head. See? Did you see that? They're like simple as pie and twice as tasty. All right, y'all enjoy the rest of Mad TV.